what's up, and I'm going to be mixing putty and slime together. So here's the putty, and it's Neon Flash. And the slime I'm going to be using is really clicky, and it's really sticky. And yeah, I'm just putting it on the tray. And yeah, so here's my little putty compared to all that big blob, and I'm putting it in. It's like a charm, it's not moving in there. The thing that I'm afraid of is it's gonna do what like everything does. It'd get really, really hard and really hard, really melted, and it won't be slime anymore. And this is a really nice slime that I love a lot because I like clicky, really sticky slime. And I made this a couple days ago, and I was in love with it. So nothing is really happening. It's just really changing the color. And I'm mixing it in. It's still the same basic thing, just it has a bunch of chunks in it. And I'm just gonna keep on mixing it until it has no more chunks. It's still having so many chunks in it. I don't know why. It's like, ew, it's disgusting. I don't know why I use this slime. Oh, shout out to Sophie, and Vids. Sorry, I don't know. I have a very bad memory. So it's like, Sophie versus and Vids or something. Shout out to her. Thank you so much for subscribing. And yeah, right after this video, I'm going to your channel and subscribing. Just cause, yeah, I'm that nice. Yeah. So all you have to do is subscribe, and then like go and say like anything, and then I'll ask if you subscribe, and then if you answer yes, then I'll give you a shout out. Or you can just say I subscribed, and I'll give you a shout out. I promise, every single one. Every single somebody that writes something, I will subscribe to them, and they will get a big shout out. So yeah. So it's just trying to keep you a little entertained. It looks pretty white on the camera, but in person it's like pretty dark. It was white, but now maybe if I get the lighting better. Yeah, see how much? Yeah, that looks better. And the lighting here, it looks like white, kind of. Okay. Yeah. So I mixed it in actually as good as I can, and it didn't really do anything. I think it made it a little bit less sticky, which is a good thing, kind of. And it made it really clicky, and I think if you mix it all in, it will become really glossy and really bubbly. Oh my god, this is actually really nice slime. You usually have to pay like $12 in slime shops to get this type of slime. Maybe like $20 maybe, because it's a lot. But then you can make it at home if you have the ingredients. which everyone should know how to make slime. But if you don't, I have a how to make slime video. You can watch that. And then just buy some putty, and yeah. Or you don't even have to use putty because it didn't really change the texture. Make sure you go subscribe to Sophie D Vids. Her comment is down there, and just look for that comment, then press on her logo, which is a bunch of squishies. Just click onto that, and yeah, then all her videos will pop up. I haven't watched any, but I'm going to. Yeah. And just make sure if you're already subscribed, because I have 10 subscribers, and if it's like, if it's gonna be like, okay, let me get this straight. If you really want to shout out and you want more subscribers, since I have 10, maybe you could get a couple more subscribers if I just tell you what your videos are about. And I might, like in my next video, I might talk about her Sophie D Vids, Sophie something Vids. I might talk about her channel, and if you really like that concept, like squishies and slime, then you're gonna subscribe to her. Which I don't know if that's about, but I'll tell you. Or you can just check her out yourself, which I'm probably gonna forget to do that. So, you know what, erase that all I said, because just check her out yourself. It's gonna be actually probably really entertaining. Shout out to her. I already said that. Yeah. Okay, so I got it pretty much all mixed in. And here's the consistency. It's not sticky at all. It used to be sticky, but it's like not even close to sticky now, but really stretchy. So yeah. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys go leave a comment down below or something so I can give you a shout out. Only if you leave a comment down below. And make sure you go check out Sophie D Vids. Right after this video, I'm going to check her out. But make sure you guys do that too. Bye!